The disassembly video of Shengshi 368 is presented to you. This is the filter element of the gearbox. What about the 368 engine? In Chongqing has been dismantled before, but a lot of riders want me to take it apart. In fact, it's the same for anyone because the materials used in the engine are very intuitive. You can't fake it in your hand. Take a look at the gearbox cover. This bearing is made of Japanese QYO. What about the one in front? It is our TPR, bearing in Taiwan province. Take a look at the front drive disc. It is from Hongzhong, Taiwan province. Hongzhong has a factory in Jinan. And look at the rear drive. It looks red and swollen. Take it out of his bowl. Take a look at how many clutch blocks he has. 5 in total. 5 chunks must be smoother than 3 chunks. His starting shake is also smaller than the 3 yuan one. Take another look at his belt. I used a belt double-sided ruler from American Gates. Let me weigh the weight of the land pig for you. What about his pulley? It's made of polymer material. Come to the pulley bead on the scale. Okay, 18.37 grams. Riders, in need can remember this number. I went to Thailand earlier this year. Then I thought about seeing if I could encounter a domestic car. As for the pedal, I only saw the 368G of momentum. You know, Thailand is full of Yamaha Hondas. The momentum can hit in. It shows that the product power is still good. Remove his timing wheel and take a look. Look at this. It is a duo bow refinery wheel from Chongqing. Duo bow is used to refine the wheel. Tiati stone turtle chain. I'll see about that later. What about this bar? It's a single cam for valve configuration, and then the intake trachea is also brought. Then take it apart. Take a look at what he uses for the fuel injector. Everyone knows this label, right? No. Okay, let's focus on the steel head. This steel head is a bit bad. Max 300 taste. They use roller rockers. The exhaust rocker arm seems to have been treated with DLC process. Because of the valves on the exhaust side, the valve springs, including this rocker arm, the environment in which he works, will be a little harsher. It's very reasonable to make a reinforcement like this. Let's break up this steel head. Take a look at the brand of the rocker arm. When is the rocker arm? Eyesight is making matching packages for Honda and Suzuki. Take a look at the camshaft. The bearing of the camshaft is not easy to shoot, but you can see it. We use TPI bearings from Taiwan province. The slaughterhouse has also been oxidized and treated at home. This is not bad either. It also has a pressure-reducing valve. Take a look at his valves. The valve is a changing valve from our Jiangsu province. To know the long camp for Honda, Suzuki Yamaha does supply the upper and lower seat lock clips of this valve spring. It's all commonly used. Okay, let's start dismantling the cylinders. As for the ceramic cylinders with sound and color, they are all made by themselves. I showed you the 703 before. Let's take a look at this 368. The shiny navigation pattern is clearly visible. The cylinder is in the best condition now. It's this ceramic cylinder. Its heat, dissipation, and wear resistance are very good. Hardness is also very high. You can find a blade or a screwdriver to scrape at will. I'll shave it off for you to see. It's got a slippery surface. So, the coefficient of friction is also low. Do you see any traces? Lokachi nutrasis. Instead, it threw my screwdriver head away. Does this have a clam pattern after all? And look at the piston. How about this? The top of the piston is slightly oxidized. What about this process? Can effectively isolate the high temperature at the top of the piston. What about the piston track? What coating is there? This is a forged piston. Don't look at it black. This black one comes out of the mold. It's not dealt with. After a little treatment, it will be beautiful, but that's not necessary anymore. This 368 piston is also lightweight design. When I was born at 310, he also forges pistons. You can go to my previous work. The 310 piston is heavier. It's not lightweight. The piston was made by Shandong Town Boat. Take another look at his piston ring. The piston rings are from East Asia. The first ring is treated by DLC process. The second tool ring is treated by PVD process. There are relatively few domestic elastic steel large pedals. The Promise 350 is powered by a BMW engine. And there are 2 350s on the front foot. One is an imitation BMW. One is like a brake. Oceans, and immediately also seem to break. There seems to be nothing else. His pump impeller is stroked. Like all maintenance colleagues asking for help, he is reflecting. But there is one advantage. The screw designed for him is M8. In case of a typo, be patient. Just like the Foshan 350, it uses M6. Reflection is basically a twist, and it breaks. Look at his coils. They're grade 18. I saw this. If you liked the video, give us a like. Who is watching the video now? The 368 has an electronic throttle version again. I'd like to try, because Dow always has this electronic throttle. It's heartbreaking. Also paid a lot. What about the oil pump chain? Tis did. Let's take a look at the stone turtle chain. It is also done in Japan. Then my analysis at the beginning is correct, and down below, he's got his crankcase. It's okay if I make this new bracket, but it needs to be optimized again. This will make it much easier to dismantle his engine in the future. 368 Camshaft. This is it. Take a look at his bearing again. It's from Sweden. The origin of Skyford is in our country. What about Skyford? The deep ditch ball business has been moved to China. Everyone in the bearing industry knows. Remove its crankshaft. If the nuclear membrane thread is wide, it means it is a forged crankshaft. The crankshaft is made by our Jiangsu Gangyang crankshaft. The bearing on this side of the balance shaft is also Skeffer. and have a look at the output shaft. The angle of the bearing is not very easy to shoot. Q8L bearings made in Japan are used. Okay, remove the connecting rod. Take a look at his connecting rod tile. You see, he's using copper tiles. The brand of the tiles is Shongsheng Baker. Let's take his gearbox apart. Inside the gearbox, just look at the bearings. The screws for fixing the traditional box are all on this side. Still more convenient to dismantle. Oh, by the way, I heard about the new 360A. It is equipped with water cooling and oil cooling. In addition to improving heat dissipation, another efficiency is to solve the continuous downhill. The oil pump cannot pump oil. Take a look at the bearings of the gearbox. The large bearing on the far left, it uses the TPI of our Taiwan province. I use the F of a Sen for my finger. Is this suitor's bearing? What about the one on the far right? It is also our TPR bearing in Taiwan province. Take a look here and take this gear off. What about this bearing, just photographed from the other side? It's a Japanese QYO. Let's take a look at this TPR bearing. The far right is also this SNF. Okay, so this is the equivalent of dismantling. The materials are also listed for you one by one. Sure enough, Dow always likes good things. Basically used. Transmission in red, gates, double-sided paper belt, ceramic steel, forged piston. There are also various parts processes, oxidation and hardening like this camshaft. Exhaust rocker arm, dual process of DLC match ring. Then the recommended oil for motor oil is in addition to the original oil. You can also choose Shell special oil for pedals. The oil volume is 1.55 liters. It can be exchanged for 5,000 kilometers. Okay. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.